So good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elina Midikira. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. So on today's video, I'll just be applying gel on myself at home, and here I was just choosing the colors that I want for my fingers and also my toenails, and I decided to go with this brown and that green on my fingers, and then on my toes I go with a brighter color, so I decided to go with green.
Yes, I know just what I say, and if the story that we say wasn't enough for you to stay, you'd have told that to my face, and I wasn't.
So a while back I was going to visit my mom, so I went to Kangemi. It's just near there, so I went to Kangemi. We were going to buy some things from that market because it's near where they stay. So I found this guy. He was selling makeup brush, a lot of things about makeup. That's where I bought this nail polish from, this gel from. He was selling at 20 shillings. So I decided, hey, I'm going to buy because it's 20. It's only 20. I won't be losing a lot of cash. So I bought, and this is me trying, and I see if it was real. I want to see how long it will stay on my nails. Yeah, and the UV lamp, it's for a friend. I just borrowed it. This way it's cheaper for me because I couldn't afford going to the nail bar that day, and I was about to travel. So yeah, we'll try what we can. Fake it until you make it.
Wasn't enough for you to stay, you could have told that to my face. No, I wasn't, until you came around. Oh, until you drew me out. And now I'm broken, now I'm down, and you're not around.
So this is just me applying the second layer. I didn't have the base and the top coat, so I just applied it like that. This is me adding the second layer, and before I go far, but I love how it's looking so far. Before I go far into the video, I would love to shout out this beautiful lady by the name Rania. She is a new mom. She does videos about motherhood, cooking. She makes so good Swahili foods. So please go and check her out and subscribe to her channel if you love her content, and also don't forget to say you came from my channel. Yeah.
Ever since you walked away, nothing ever was the same. Only the thought of yesterday brings back all the pain. You didn't used to be this way. I know that's what you would think, even though everything I say, I know just what I say. Story that we say wasn't enough for you to stay, could have told that to my face, and I wasn't, until was a first for everything. I felt my chest begin to ache, and you didn't even give a damn. You didn't used to be this way. Oh, I could tell you just the same. Oh, I went down for you to change, 'cause it's been driving me insane. And if the story that we shared wasn't enough for you to stay, you could have told that to my face. No, I wasn't, and here you came around. Oh, dear, you drew me out, and now I'm broke.
So I love how my toenail is looking. I love how the green is popping. I went ahead and finished my right hand. It was difficult. It wasn't easy to do my right hand, but I love how the left is looking. And for my toenails, the gel is still there, but for my hands, I think I have been washing too much, so it's not there for my fingers. Yeah, so until next time, bye bye.